Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how you can add dual WhatsApp in your device Redmi A1. So in Redmi A1, if you want to have dual WhatsApp, you can have it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can add dual WhatsApp to your device.